What I want is for her to do whatever I want without me having to make it happen. To just, I want to get a glass of water before I ask, and it's there waiting. And that...
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Did you ever have anybody take care of you like that?
No.
That sounds really maternal. That sounds like, a mother-infant bond. Yes, we have our moments with lovers where that can happen, but I don't know. That's just what occurred to me when you were saying it.
That's a pretty profound thing to say.
Really? Not a fairly obvious, distracting, insignificant?
I'll go with profound.
What is profound about that? How is that profound? The drawing that parallel? Is it? I mean, that's like I'm sure if you open up one of these books, it's on the first fucking page.
I'm just wondering if you're aware of how quickly you move to devaluation. Do you know that?
I think that I don't care how quickly I move to devaluation.
Whether you care about it or not, I just want to
Am I
first
aware
see
that
if
sometimes
you're
I
aware
move quickly to devaluation? Yes.
But I'm also noticing how difficult it is to actually meet you. I notice even in the way I'm talking to you that it's very hard to get it right. Like when I try to say back to you what's going on, what I just heard, it's never right. And when you correct me, I can see why you're correcting me. I understand the nuance and where I missed the point.
That's very frustrating for me.
What
Yes,
I want to hear is why is the moment where someone is not just right, why is that so devastating? That's
I don't know that it's
yours.
devastating. I think it's...
See, you did it just then.
Right.
Devastating
Right.
is not quite the right word, and you're going to correct me on
Right.
devastating, and you can't
Right.
see that devastating
Right. That's okay.
might have
Well, it is simply not devastating. That is not a proper use of that word. In any of the word, I mean, unless you're being hyperbolic, and I don't know what the point of that would be. If the point was clarity.
I wasn't being hyperbolic. I'm actually assuming that in some way.
How about deeply inconvenient?
No, I don't think it's inconvenient. I think there's a much more emotional underlying structure to this.
Okay. How can we quickly determine whether that's true or not?
You can ask yourself if you want to take something of what I'm saying to see if it's useful to you, or if you want to spar with me. If you don't want to spar with me, we don't have to discuss the accuracy. We just have to see if it's useful, what I'm saying, whether it's accurate or not.
I don't know how to do that. I don't know that I've ever been devastated in any prior event when that occurred, including my birthday. I didn't feel devastated.
You said disappointed.
I was disappointed.
Okay, so go with that.
There, a breakthrough.